So here we are back with another case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are back with the leather case from the guys at Bellroy for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I checked this case out for the Pixel 8 Pro last year and I really liked the case. The quality of it was really good. The only thing I did have a problem with was the fact that it had no Magsafe, and I'm hoping that they have fixed it this year. So let's check it out. So it says here on the box, with super slim, eco-tanned leather and a built-in magnet. That's a good sign. And of course, this case is made for Google Pixel. So this is Bellroy's official partnership with Google. Let's just take a look. So this is the black version of the case. So yeah, that's good. And then on the inside then, we have instructions. So keep this case's natural eco-tanned leather looking its best. Follow the instructions to avoid damaging the leather while inserting your Pixel. Gently slide your Pixel into the case, starting with the bottom corners, and then snap the top corners in one at a time. Right, let's just start with weighing this case. So it weighs in at 32 grams, so that's actually pretty decent. So as you can see here, this is the black leather case. We have this molded camera bar, which I really do like. We have metal buttons here as well, which is good, and you can faintly see the circular magnetic ring there, which is good to see. On the inside then we have this microfiber lining and of course our Magsafe layout, and then of course made in China with care, no less. So yeah, we have our cutouts here at the top then. So we have our microphone cutout here, and then we have our USB-C and our speaker cutouts in the bottom as well. So yeah, let's just check it out. So I do have my actual Pixel 9 Pro XL. It finally arrived, yes. So I still have the dummy phone here. This is the official dummy phone. So let's just pop this in. So as the instructions say, because you know, none of us know how to put a case on apparently. So yeah, bottom in first, corner, corner, bosh. Straight away, that feels very, very nice. It does feel very nice. Now obviously this is the obsidian foam. The black goes very, very well, and as you can see there, it looks very, very minimal, and it's very, very nice, I will say. We've got that textured leather, which does feel grippy, so the more you use it, it will get grippier, which is nice to see. Buttons, yep, metal buttons, and yeah, clicky, tactile, responsive, no issues there. We have our microphone cutout here at the top, which is 100%, and the bottom then we've got good exposure here for the microphone cutout, our USB-C and our speaker cutout there as well. So yeah, that's very, very good. So fitment wise then, so let's just try the fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners, we'll just give that a twist, and the phone does not move. That's what you want to see. That's good and solid, so at least you'll know the phone isn't going to pop out at the corners, so that's good to see. And of course then, if we look at the screen lip, so there is a minimal lip that does come up over the display. It's really, really good, and if you do set it down flat, you are going to get that lift up protection. You've no issues there at all. Same goes for the camera bump then. So you can see the camera bump is molded and it does come up over the glass, so it does give you a good bit of lip there. So if you set it down flat, you are going to get that protection from that glass. Now what I do love about the Pixels, and I've always said it and I'll continue to say it, is that camera bar, no rock. So when you're setting it flat, it doesn't move, which is awesome. I really love it. And this case feels really, really nice. It feels minimal, it feels grippy, and yeah, I mean, who doesn't love the feel of leather on a case, you know? It's so good. The Bellroy branding here is very, very subtle as well. And of course it is a Magsafe compatible case, so we can do a Magsafe test. So this was one of the things that I felt that the Pixel 8 Pro case was lacking last year. In terms of quality, the case was top notch. I just felt it missed the Magsafe compatibility, so when I was going into the car and stuff, I didn't really like it. So I'm glad to see it on here now. So let's just check these magnets out and see what they're like. Oh dear. Oh dear. I would like these to be a bit stronger, if I'm being honest. I just don't. Would it fall off a mount in your car? Maybe, maybe not. I'd like them to be a bit stronger, but I suppose it has it this year, so I suppose that's something. But no, that's doesn't, like, even the weight of that stand, if you just give it it just comes off. So I would like that to have been a bit stronger, to be honest. Otherwise, it is still really a really good case. I mean, if you do like leather and you like the feel of leather, you want those metal buttons, you want minimal but nice. Yeah. So guys, what do you think of the leather case from Bellroy for the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let me know in the comments down below. If you are interested in picking this case up, I will leave you a link in the description down below to where you can pick this up. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that'll be wraps up this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep locked on the channel. I have a lot more tech review and accessories coming. I have a lot more Pixel 9 Pro XL content coming as well. So if that's your bag, stay tuned. And if you want some more down to earth tech review and accessories, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.
It's so nice. Black leather, boy.